Let's learn Take Me to the Beach. It's choreographed by Rushton Danvoie Liadouze and Guillaume. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, low intermediate level line dance with restarts on walls 2 and 6 after 16 counts and a tag on the end of wall 8. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Take Me to the Beach. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, and as we rock to the right, you're going to push the palm of your right hand across your body to the left. When you do this, you're going to have your body slightly angled to the left, leaning towards the right, and you can slightly lift your left toe up. We're now going to recover back onto our left foot. We're going to do a quarter sailor step, cross your right foot behind your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock, and then step your right foot slightly forward. We're now going to do lock steps, so you're going to step your left foot forward and slightly into the left diagonal, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then step your left foot forward. We're going to step our right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal, bring your left foot in and behind your right, step your right foot forward, and then step your left foot slightly into the left diagonal, allowing your hips to be angled to the left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, rocking to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then we're going to shuffle to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. You're now going to step your left foot slightly forward. We're going to come up on the balls of both feet and swivel both heels to the left, and then back center, putting your weight onto your right foot. We're now going to step out, allowing our left foot to slightly come back. Step your right foot out to the right side. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart. And then we're going to clap our hands, but it's going to be an up and down motion. So the first time we clap, our right hand's going to come down and meet our left, and then we'll do the opposite. Our left will meet our right. When you do this clap, you want it to be really quick. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our lock step. You're going to do your crossover. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now, when we do this out, when you do those claps, you want to make sure that your weight comes onto your left foot, that your right foot is free to do section 3. Section 3, we're going to do cross backs to the left and the right. So we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to step your left foot back, and then you're going to quickly step your right foot back, slightly into the diagonal. We're now going to cross our left over our right, step your right foot back, and then you're going to step your left foot quickly back and slightly into the diagonal. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot. As we rock forward, you're going to push your hip. So we're going to roll our hip forward and then back slightly in an up and down motion. So when we go forward, that hip is going to slightly come up as you step down onto your right foot, and then you recover back on your left. Your hip will slightly come down as you recover back. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our out, clap, clap. You're going to do your cross back. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, and our final section of the dance, we're going to do a cross-side sailor step. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're going to do a sailor step, crossing your right behind your left, step your left foot to the side, step your right foot to the side. When you step this right foot to the side, you want your hips slightly angled to the right. We're now going to cross our left over our right, quickly step your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to touch your left toe behind your right. We're now going to do 2 heel bounces that are going to make a 3/4 unwind. So we're going to bounce both heels up, making a half turn over your left shoulder to face 9 o'clock. And then you're going to do 1 more heel bounce, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder to face 6 o'clock. Weight will be on your left foot, and then you'll be ready to rock to the side. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your cross-side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now the counts are and 7 and 8, but they are kind of slow heel bounces. So you want to think that and count is you lifting and turning will be your whole count. So when you're doing it, even though it says and 7 and 8, you're still thinking bounce, bounce in a slower motion. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our rock and push. So it's rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, cross, quarter, back, shuffle to the side, step, swivel, out, out, clap, clap, cross, back, back, cross, back, back, rock, recover, quarter, pivot, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, I touch behind, and your bounce, bounce, and you're facing 6 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, rocking to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. The restarts are going to happen on walls 2 and 6 after 16 counts. Both will start facing 6 o'clock and restart facing 12 o'clock. So even though we're restarting, you're going to continue that normal wall rotation like we would if we did the full 32 counts. So let's dance up to those 16 counts so that you know where it happens. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your rock. So it's rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, cross, quarter, back, shuffle to the side, step, swivel, out, out, clap, clap. Right here, you're going to restart the dance. This is where really making sure that your weight is on your left foot for those claps will help you restart. After that, you will dance all the way through until wall 6, where you'll do that same 16 counts and then restart to 12 o'clock. Now, we have one tag. It happens on the end of wall 8, which is also a 6 o'clock facing wall. So those restarts and tag are going to be kind of easier to remember because you're going to remember it's always going to be when you come to that back wall that when we come to the front, something is going to change. So you're going to finish the full 32 counts of wall 8, bringing you back to 12 o'clock when we do our bounces. Now our tag is going to be a syncopated kind of V-step with heel switches. So you're going to step your right foot into the right diagonal, step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot back center, step your left next to your right. You're now going to place your right heel forward, step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward, step your left next to your right, and then you'll be ready to start the dance all over again. However, it is all syncopated, so it is pretty quick, so you want to make sure that you're keeping these nice and small. So let's do it with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just finished those bounces. You're going to do your V-step and your heel switches. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ready to start the dance all over again. It happens one time and one time only, and the music does sound slightly different for wall 8, so you kind of have a little bit of a warning that that tag is coming. Now the dance ends facing 12 o'clock, so you don't have to worry about an ending. It's going to finish when you would be stepping to the right. So I like to kind of do like I'm doing my rock and look forward, but you could just step to the side as well because it does end facing the front. So now let's go around. We're going to do 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restarts and the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our rock. On the front wall, I will do the steps. On the back wall, we will do counts. Weight's on the left, starting with your rock. It's rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, cross, quarter, back, shuffle to the side, step, swivel, out, out, cross, back, back, cross, back, back, rock with a push, recover, quarter, pivot, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, side, touch behind, half bounce, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Restart, rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, cross, quarter, back. Shuffle to the side, step, swivel, out, out. Cross, back, back, cross, back, back, rock, recover, quarter, pivot. Cross, side, sailor, step, cross, I touch behind, half, bounce, quarter, bounce. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, cross, quarter, back. Shuffle to the side, step, swivel, out, out. Cross, back, back, cross, back, back, rock, recover, quarter, pivot. Cross, side, sailor, step, cross, I touch behind, half, bounce, quarter, bounce, 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Restart, rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, cross, quarter, back. Shuffle to the side, step, swivel, out, out. Cross, back, back, cross, back, back, rock, recover, quarter, pivot. Cross, side, sailor, step, cross, I touch behind, half, bounce, quarter, bounce. At the end of this wall, you'll do your tag. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and start over, rock, recover, quarter, sailor, step. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, cross, quarter, back. Shuffle to the side, step, swivel, out, out. Cross, back, back, cross, back, back, rock, recover, quarter, pivot. Cross, side, sailor, step, cross, I touch behind, half, bounce, quarter, bounce. And then you'll dance through until the end of the song. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Take Me to the Beach. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Walking on a leash, no.